Hello, dear students. This is Mr. Mario, and today we are learning how to install Bricklink Studio 2.0 and how to create our first activity. First, for your reference, I want to remind you that to the discussions in Manage Bug, I repeat, discussions, here in the discussions, I submit some important messages, so please check them. Here, in this case, I have this message where I am saying how to download Bricklink Studio 2.0 and how to install it. Here for Mac, you can find a video tutorial for Mac and here a video tutorial for Windows. Anyway, I will install it here in my computer so you can see how to do that. And second, here you find a post about shortcuts. What are shortcuts? You can find here some interesting the hotkeys that you are using for a studio for a Studio 2.0. So here, in case you forget any of them, you can review those keys. So probably right now it looks a bit confused, but with practice, this will make sense. And the lesson that we will do is how to create an electric charging station. Okay, so let's start with downloading your studio program. So here you can see that here is the link to Bricklink Studio 2.0 software. So you click it. Okay. So here I am in my mail. So okay. Probably this message arrived to your email. So here I am showing from my mail. Okay. Good. Accept all cookies. Now remember that if you have Windows, then you have to download the Studio 2.0 for Windows. If you have Mac, then you have to download the Studio 2.0 for Mac. So please be very aware of what you are downloading. Usually this is more automatic, but just in case, check. Then I click download Studio 2.0 for Windows. This will take it to my downloads folder. Both Mac and Windows have download folder, so application save. Okay, here you can see that it's downloading. Let's wait a few seconds for our next step. Now as you can see, it takes some time to download. That's the reason it's very important that you download this before coming to the lesson. You need to download it and install it before coming to the lesson so we don't lose time and we can start right ahead with our activity of the day. Okay, a few more seconds. If you already downloaded and installed Studio 2.0, then jump to the activity of the day. It will be in a couple of minutes. Okay, few seconds. Ten more to go. And finally, okay. When it says done, when you already download the program, you click it. If for some reason you cannot find the here in download history, here you can go to your folders and here in downloads, you will find it. Okay, good. So after downloading here, Studio 2.0, okay, let's click it. Right now I am working in a Windows computer, so just in case for your information. Okay, I click it, now I am waiting until it starts installing. Okay, here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Studio 2.0 setup. This is verified, this is Lego official, so I will say yes. I accept the agreement. Okay, let's go down, down, down. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next. Then you search where you want to install it. So C Program File Studio 2.0 is good. Okay. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. This is a very good idea. So you can find it in your desktop. Okay. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Okay. Install. As you can see, this takes time. So please come to the lesson already with this program, download and install. If no, we cannot work in the activity of the day because we will spend our time downloading and installing the program. Okay, let's wait a bit. Okay, a few more seconds to go, probably for a few more minutes. So please, now you understand why we have to do this before the lesson. Okay, so feel free to jump after in this recording. Feel free to jump until we finish with this installing. Okay. A few seconds more and done. Okay. So sometimes it will ask you to restart the computer. So here you have to say yes, restart the computer now, or no, I will restart the computer later. So you click yes, restart the computer now. Okay? Yes, restart the computer now. So I will restart the computer, finish. So with this part, we finish the first part, how to install the program. Okay. So